It is appropriate to flirt with one's wife to awaken her desire. Before approaching her, it is recommended to recite this invocation: Lord, protect us from Satan and protect from Satan what you grant us. Bismillah. Allahumma jannibna shaitana, wa jannibish shaitana ma razaqtana. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, emphasized several points concerning marital relations. Prohibition of approaching the wife during menstruation. It is forbidden to have sexual relations with a woman during her menstruation until she is completely purified. Allah says in the Quran, "And they ask you about menstruation. Say, it is a harm, so keep away from women during menstruation and do not approach them until they are purified." Respect for natural limits. It is forbidden to approach one's wife in a manner that is against nature, an act that Allah greatly detests. Reciprocal satisfaction. The husband should not withdraw at the moment of the act before his wife has reached orgasm. He should also not engage in conjugal relations without his wife's consent. Contraception. The use of contraceptive methods must be discussed and accepted by both partners. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, was asked about coitus interruptus, al-azl, and responded that it is a form of disguised infanticide. Recommended ablutions. If the man wishes to resume sexual relations, he is advised to perform ablutions, wudu, as for prayer. These ablutions are also recommended before sleeping, after sexual relations, and before eating, if the major ritual purification, ghusl, has not been performed. Enjoyment outside of menstruation. The husband is permitted to enjoy his wife during her menstruation, except for the part of the body between the navel and the knees. It is important that spouses freely dispose of their bodies for mutual fulfillment within the limits established by Sharia.